Meron. Wala ka na. Ito, panibagong umpisa.
Basta.
Ay, okay yan.
Okay.
Video para na ito doon na sa medyong gadget.
Dito sa may TV.
Ito, mga tropa. Oragon batch of the Makati.
Paring Tubel.
Representing.
Paring Tubel, salamat.
Representing the new appoint.
Christopher Puyo taking a video at this time.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Puyo on handle on the camera.
Christopher Puyo, thank you.
Okay. Handling the video of the security, the newly appointed new security guard on Sanaya project of Makati,
Safety.
Ricky Mendoza,
Hindi security.
and
Race, safety.
and Aramco safety officer,
Engineer.
Mr. Edwin Princesa, and parang
Engineer Richard Derry.
parang kabatak lang. Hindi iniisip ang estado. Ang engineer
Tama yan.
na taga Bicol din.
Tama yan.
Engineer Richard. Aywa.
Gomez.
Piling exit. At farewell exit.
Loan level na.
Aywa. Aywa. Good luck for the new opportunity. Aywa.
This dance
Aywa.
is for preparation for the
Aywa.
Francia Festival in Nagati.
Aywa. For the prosperity of the all Makati workers. Aywa. This is life. This is abroad. And may kababayan, patago-tago. Let's see what is happening out there inside the corner. So, Alatol calling. That is my kababayan. And it's me, my announcer. This is me, Puyo. Puyo mabait, Christopher.